Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a lease termination letter. What is a lease termination letter? A lease termination letter is a written notice that lets a landlord know a tenant plans to end the lease and move out. Other names for this letter include a notice to vacate and a notice to quit. It's important to note that a lease termination letter is different than an eviction notice. Writing Practices will show you how to write a lease termination letter step by step. First of all, write your personal details. Write your full name, your company name, which is a tenant of properties, and write the address of your company. Don't forget to put the city, state, and zip code. For the next, write the date today, which is the date you write the letter. And now, write the recipient details. Write the full name. Write the office or the store or apartment name that you want to terminate. And write the address as well. You need to mention the city, state, and zip code. Now, you may open the termination letter with Dear Sir or Madam or Dear Mr. or Ms. followed by the name recipient's name. In the first paragraph, write that the lease of the property is expiring soon. You need to write down the date. Since you are writing the termination letter, you need to also explain why you are writing this. In this case, I can no longer rent the property to the recipient because I will make it to VIP apartments. In short, just mention why the recipient cannot renew the lease agreement. In the second paragraph, as it is clear that the agreement cannot be renewed, you can tell more details about the remaining dates or months. For example, you ask them to leave the property empty and clean. And state that they cannot leave the property in a damaged condition. And talk about the payment and the key and other necessary things. You can also ask the recipient to provide the landlord with the new address. And, the last paragraph, end the letter by stressing the word that this is a termination letter. And tell them this also functions to allow the recipient to take their time to seek for a new residence. Now, close the letter with best regards, your signature, and your full name. And, that's how you write a lease termination letter. I hope this video helpful for you. See you.